In the previous class, we discussed the topic, we are children of one Father. All human beings were created by God. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic, attitude of children of one Father. Importance of living in peace. There should be peace among the children of God, so that they will be united as members of one family. Where there is unity, people will be able to work together. Then there will be growth and progress. Jesus explained this when he was casting out demons from the lame and the blind people. The Pharisees said he was doing it by the power of Beelzebul, Satan or the king of demons. Jesus told them that it would not be possible for Satan to fight against demons. Otherwise it would mean that its kingdom was divided and so it would fall. What this means is that any kingdom where the members are not united or not in peace, will fall. Jesus finally explained to them that it was by the power of God, the greatest power, that he was casting out demons. Jesus also said that casting out demons by the power of God meant that he had brought the presence of God or God's kingdom to the world. So, therefore, living in peace brings unity, progress and happiness. Where there is peace, people are happy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.